welcome back to the video. It's Jenna, and today we will be doing the Deluxe Spa Set, and there are 4-in-1 spa activities. Looks like we have bath bombs, perfume, dropper thingies, probably for this, sniffy stuff that you put on your wrist and you sniff it, sniffy. I think this is lip gloss. I don't know. And then we have more, I think it's part of that and that. I don't know. And let's just get on with the video. This is the Crafty Sensei. And after opening a little bit of this, we have some of these little cute tips just to put them in here.
Yeah, so we can do salt scrubs, and that's when we're going to be using this little container that it gives us, and we put salt scrub in that. And we also have signature scent, which is what you were just introducing.
Oh,
so she can put some essential oils and other types of oils in here and have her own signature scent. These little pieces of paper, she can write her secret ingredients on it. What else do we have? Shimmer lotion.
That's gonna be my lotion.
Yes, it'll be nice to rub on your hands. And
but it has to be the color of my skin.
yes, it'll probably be clear anyway. And then we have bath bombs. So which one do you want to do first?
Let's do the first one.
You want to do the first one? All right. Okay, so what you need to combine the Epsom salts and the sea salt into a medium bowl.
I'm just
like
guessing this is
Image A.
Epsom salt.
That one, yep, that one's the Epsom, so you need to put that into here.
It smells so good.
Yeah, it does that. Now we need to go to step 2, and it's add your desired amount of rosebuds. So
Roses are red, violets are blue and purple.
you don't want to put too much in there because you might want to save some of those for your bath bombs.
Well, I wish they made different colors. Would be better. Because then I could see what I'm mixing and see if I mixed it all.
So what you want to do is always add your dry ingredients together, and then now we're going to mix the liquid ingredients. Sometimes you can take a separate container and mix your liquid together and your dry together and then add the liquid, but we're just going to follow the steps here. All right? Is that good?
Yeah, it's good.
All right, so step 3. Once your dry ingredients have been combined, it is time to add the wet ingredients. Begin by adding your sunflower oil. Measure 15 milliliters. We're not quite ready to put it in there, but what we need to do, if you want, you can add your desired amount of fragrance to your mixture using your fragrance droppers. Mix well to combine, followed by image E. So you can use the dropper, or you can pour your desired flavor inside. You don't need a dropper, actually. Add a couple different kinds.
Vanilla
right?
rose.
Vanilla rose? That's actually a good one.
Yeah, you can smell it.
Oh, it does smell nice. It's not overwhelming at all. It's actually a really good blend. Good job.
Now I can make snowballs.
You're gonna pour it all in that.
Oh, now?
Yeah, you can.
It's shiny!
What's it feel like?
Salt.
Yeah, but does it feel soft? Is it scratching?
Kind of scratchy.
Yeah, can I try?
Yeah. But it does make my skin look shiny.
Actually, it is soft there now that it's off, isn't it? I think it helps with the essential oils. Can make it a little softer, and the sunflower oil. All right, good job with that. So we've made a scrub.
I give that an A. Okay, so I read the instructions, and we have our pipettes, our fragrance base, our wooden stick, our measuring cup, our recipe card, And our marker, but we don't have it right now. No, we don't need that. Don't need that. And so far they're saying smell each scent and find the one you desire. So this one is coconut, was it? Yeah, that one's coconut. This one's lavender. I don't really like the smell of lavender. This one's orange. That's a pretty good smell. Vanilla. You smell vanilla. I like vanilla. But how does rose smell like? I think rose wins. And now they're saying pour as much as you want into here. Honestly, I don't know, probably like up to 4 or 3. So there we go. And now it is saying, once you are happy with your scent, pour in, okay, now you have to pour in this, up to 10 millimeters. Okay, I want to use this because when I pour it, I just don't want to spill any of it. It smells good. I got in my hand. It smells good. Okay. 10 millimeters. Use your wooden stick to combine the fragrance oil with your perfume base. And now we have to mix it. And now they say unscrew the lid on your roller perfume bottle. Pull on the roller cap. So I'll use the blue one because I feel like I liked it blue. And it's saying carefully pour your fragrance into. Okay, so you have to pour this now into it. Oh, this goes up a long way. Is that good? More?
Yeah, you can probably add it all. Oh, yeah, maybe not. There you go.
This is so much. Up to that line?
Yeah.
Okay. Smells so good. Okay, and now, okay, so I think we just put this on now. And then we have our scent. Our scent. So it's perfume. Oh, that smells so good. Now we have our lotion base. We need our stirring stick and our shimmer mica, which is the color, looks like pigment. I like pigment. And there's only 3 steps to this, so it doesn't say how much to add, so the mystical ghost whispered in my ear and said, a little stir, a little stir. So let's just see if this mystical ghost was right. Ooh, it's shiny. Didn't even make a difference. I think I'm gonna pour all of it. So shiny. I think this is pigment. Some blue on this side. I want to see if I can make it look like the sea. Not as well. Doesn't really look like the sea anymore. But at least it's a pretty blue. I'll say that. And now it's turned into a pretty turquoise. I don't know how this is gonna look. Ooh! Me likey. It's very cute, and I would would say if it looked like my skin, they're a little bit magic, so they think it's magic. That it looks like that, but it's an ocean if you just think about it. Because there, it looks like it's land, but inside it's the ocean. And I would say this is an A. Okay, so we're gonna be making our bath bombs now. Things are gonna get real. First,
So you need your bath bomb mixture. Yeah, grab your bath bomb mixture.
bath bomb.
You need 8 ounces in size.
8 ounces.
Your bowl has to be 8 ounces in size, which is what we have. You're going to add 7 tablespoons of your bath bomb mix.
Oh, it smells so good. It smells like cookies. Like fresh cookie dough.
Mm-hmm.
I love it. Now try not to inhale this.
Yes, it is fine powder, so you have to be very careful with it. So you need 7 of those, and make sure you don't want them heaping, you want them pretty level.
Are that level?
Perfect. And then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Now these measurements that they are providing are only the measurements for this package. So if you're trying to create this stuff and you have the supplies at home, it may not be the same. So you'd have to try, you know, your mixture on your own, but you can try these measurements as well.
Trying to make sure there's no clumps in it. But it smells so good. It just feels like you're just mixing a pure flour, and the flour just had like some scent in it, so it made it feel a little different than normal flour.
And you want to blend it thoroughly, so you really want to make sure all the 2 ingredients are mixed well together. And you can add your flower buds if you want at this point.
Yeah, that sounds good.
If you want to add some. All right,
Where are my flower
you're
buds?
going to add some flower buds.
Time to pick some flowers. I'm gonna use blue.
Blue? Yeah, that's a pretty color. It'll kind of go with your ocean or your sea that you have there. Glitter or?
Yeah, I want to add glitter. Not like all the glitter.
Yes, because you don't want to add too much glitter. Enough?
Yeah, that's enough.
Yeah. Your dad's not a glitter fan.
Yeah, I don't think Dad will let me.
Don't think he'll appreciate all the glitter.
Nope. And when I come out and my body's gonna be so much glitter, yeah, you won't like that.
Okay, so now you're gonna add
Crush,
15
crush.
drops of the essential oil of your choice. Or you can mix them up, but 15 drops in total.
I want to add these 3. Lavender, rose, and vanilla. Look how pretty they look.
Yeah, it is pretty.
They're like little. Now can I mix it?
Yep. Mix it thoroughly.
Oh my god, it's like sticking.
Yeah, but you gotta mix it quick.
Mix it quick? Now that I'm good at. You know what? I'm getting my hand on that.
Okay, so then it says measure half teaspoon of water as you are blending the mixture with 1. So
Now
now can you put some in your hand and squeeze? Okay, open your hand. So that's not, you see how it's not forming very well yet? So we need to add a little bit more water. Because you want it to fold, like in that mold, you want it to form a little bit. So as soon as I pour the water, remember to stir it really quickly.
in here. This is a no fizz zone.
Yeah, that's actually pretty good.
I'll give it an.
It smells good. I can smell it here.
Smells good.
Okay, so then we're going to select the mold and fit the mixture on each side. We're going to pack it into each side of this mold. Okay, so you're going to take one, pack it in really nice and tight. Okay.
Okay. Now that I can do.
go. All right, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your 2 molds and you're gonna plant them together, and then you're gonna go like a saucer. You're gonna turn them like that. Yeah, keep them nice and tight, keep them nice and tight. Tight, 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 tight until they're almost touching. There you go. So hold it like that. It's perfect. Don't let them separate. Keep your mold. Yep, that's it. Good job. Clean it off.
I did a good job.
There you go. And you're going to hold it. You're going to let it sit for a minute. Okay? Because you want it to really get nice and tight. There you go.
It's been a minute.
Has. So then you can tap the top. Be careful, be careful. You don't want to break it. So, and gently take one side off. Okay, now tip it. There you go. That is
so cool.
your bath bomb. Don't keep touching it. So really you should let them dry 24 hours.
Then we made our bath bomb. I had some touches on it. And now we're gonna go put it in the sink. So now that we have made it, now we've reached the sink. Actually, someone just fell on my head. Let's just see how that looks. Ooh. Okay. Oh my god. It actually worked. My favorite part probably about this was the bath bomb, because we tried the blue one and it was pretty good. I liked it. But this one has a big crack in it, so I don't know how that's gonna go. Next, this. I really liked how it went. It's kind of like fading from this nice little peachy color to blue, which I love fading, so, and it's really sparkly. You can tell that it really got changed, so I think today was my theme. Next, the sea salt. Honestly, I would think this was also a good one, but the texture, yeah, nah. So I'll give that an okay. Next, the perfume. I personally like the perfume. It's really nice. I like how it smells. It smells really good, like roses, but at the same time like vanilla. So, personally that's all my favorite. Except for this one, because this one's an okay. So if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, click the bell notification so you can see our next video that we will be doing. Bye!